And then I see these young boys like, what's up my end? What's up my end? What is up your end? What is up your end? What's up your innos? What is up there? I don't know. Oh. 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 Oh.
To the broken hearted, worldwide. To the broken hearted, who feels the most better? I'm singing this you again, going up to every player. One go tell the cheaters, not again. Your pretty face now go hold me down no more. Not again. I gave it all, but you dropped it on the floor. Not again. Not again. We not going this no more. Not again. No, no, no. Going this no more.
I'm just trying to understand this whole concept. Let me know. No, honestly, let me know, because maybe I just don't know, you know. Let me know what you think about the situation. Dig me. Okay, let's do this. I hear the N-word is, first of all, one of the items we'll be discussing in this video, and then the B word is another item of discussion in this video. Which one should we start with? Let's start with the B. Let's start with the B. Okay. Girls tend to refer to them as the B word. You know, they'll be like, I'm the baddest B. I run this B. I'm the B. I'm the boss B. Which is, you know, it's fine if that's how you want to refer to yourself as. But in the same breath, 2 seconds later, when another individual human being of maybe a male species, even a female species, refers to that same lady as the B word, now she's like, why you call me out my name? Why you call me out my name? Girl, why am I calling you out of your name, girl? Bruh, listen, yeah, listen, let me break it down to you on two step. If I, you know, if as fabulous as I am, if I go around all day calling myself a queen, all day, every day, and then man them next to me 2 days later decides to call me a queen, will I then be offended? Why will I be offended? I have set the standard for how people to refer to me, to relate to me, to address me as a queen. So if you now call me a queen and now I'm offended, oh, why are you calling me a queen for? What do you mean? Like, why? I'm confused. Are you confused? So I'm just, so you are calling yourself the baddest B, but now when someone calls you a B, you're offended. Oh, it's the way she said it. Oh, it's the way she said it, but her tone of voice was not on point. Why you call me that? Oh, would you? Like, nah. If you think it's acceptable to refer to yourself as a B, then why are you offended when someone else calls you a B? Like the example I just gave. If I call myself a queen all day, every day, and the next level man them comes up to me and goes, you're a queen, I'm gonna be offended now. I don't get it. I just don't get it. I'll be offended if someone calls me a B, because I don't refer to myself as a B. You understand what I'm saying? But if you refer to yourself as a B and now someone calls you a B, oh, now you're calling your actual name. Now you're offended. Offended by what? You set the standard. You said it was alright to call you a B because you just called yourself a B. Okay? I don't get it. Bye, Felicia. Bye. Now the N-word. The N-word is just it hurts me. It hurts me that when you go to Ghana, you will go to Cape Coast, you will see the slave dungeons, you go to the, what was that room called? The door of no return. That stuff is emotional. You understand what I'm saying? That stuff is emotional. You feel me? And as should I say black people? Africans? we know where the N-word came from. It didn't come from a good place. It didn't, oh, hey, Hen, how are you doing today? It didn't come from that place. So for now, for us to be like claiming it, like, bruv, it wasn't your word to begin with. That term was used to degrade, downgrade. Like, how many other words can I use? Black people at the time, and now people are saying it's the way it's said. Maybe there's the one with the A and then there's one with an ER, and it's, bruv, it sounds the same. If it's wrong, it's wrong. It's a derogatory term that should not be used on anybody, just with the sheer connotations and the way that word was coined. Why would you want to use it? Why would you want to use it? And don't tell me you're claiming the word back and trying to, but you're not, because it wasn't yours to begin with. It wasn't your word. And then I see these young boys like, what's up my N? What's up my N? What is up your N? What is up your N? What's up your Enos? What is up there? I don't know. It saddens me when I hear it. Like, I literally cringe every time someone says the N word around me. I'm like, I remember one time, I think it was work. Once, I think we went on some sort of trip to Manchester or something, and we're on the bus and we're singing songs, and then they started singing Gold Digger. I ain't saying Gold Digger, but she, let's see how many black people. It wasn't me and this other guy who were black, so everyone else was Caucasian, white. I don't know why it's for the need to be so correct. Was white, and they were singing it. I ain't messing with that. And you should. There was this guy on my left hand side. Like, I could see him, like he was literally hyperventilating because he thought that everyone was going to see the N-word. He's like, guys, do you realize there's 2 black people on this bus? Do you realize? Like, he was literally like, guys, like, don't say the N-word, don't say the N-word. They didn't say it though. They didn't say that. I ain't saying shit, but she make me wanna bruck. That's what they said, you know. And it's like, this guy is so like scared that they're about to say the N-word. But obviously the artist in that song, who is black himself, felt that it was appropriate to use the N-word. All I'm saying is, let there be an even playing field. If it's wrong word to say, just no one say it. Don't say, because I'm black, I can say it, because I'm this, I am say it. No, if it's wrong, it's wrong. Simple as. Don't use it. And with the B thing, like, what do you expect? I'll be offended if you got me a B, because I'm like, I'm not a female dog. I'm far from it. Like, do you see me though? Like, I'm not a female dog. I don't think there's anything flattering about that term. I don't think there's any flattering about calling yourself that term. But if you call yourself that term and you refer to people like, then if someone calls you, don't be offended. Don't be offended. That's what I'm saying. Don't be offended. Because like I said, you set the standard for how people refer to you as, relate to you as, address you, blah, 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 blah. And you, I feel like you as a black person, you as an African should know and the circumstances in which this word was made from, that you wouldn't even want to touch that word. You wouldn't even want to say that word. But you choose to say it. Hey, what am I gonna do about it? Nothing. I'm just gonna be quiet. I'm just gonna say, don't say that word, and I'm not cool with it, and that's it. Anyway, I'm gonna get out of here. It's not looking good anyway, bro. I'm gonna go and sleep and watch the money roll in, bro. I'm joking. I see. It's okay, man. It's okay. I'm gonna find myself somebody to fend for my, you know, experiences. And I guess we're all guilty in it. Even I'm guilty in it, because I would listen to songs. K Michelle is notorious for her N-words. You got the right one. N-word. So maybe as a person myself, I'm being hypocritical, because I will listen to songs with N-word. Now Sarkor D, my homie, shout out to you. We cool like that. He does use the N-word a lot. And with his collaboration with Ace Hood, ooh, N-words on like ta 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 ta, N-words on fleek, N-words to the fullest. I was since that's what I'm trying to count how many N-words they were using to my N's in the black. I don't know. I don't know why we feel that it's allowed on a certain level and not allowed. I've been watching Love and Hip Hop, and I've been watching Real Housewives. And those girls use the B word a lot, don't they? Yes, they do. So maybe I'm guilty. Maybe I'm feeding into the whole thing. Like, maybe I am. Maybe I'm just as in the wrong as they are. You know? Maybe it's like the whole concept of if you laugh with the bully, you're just as much a bully as they are. I just had a light bulb moment. I just had a light bulb moment. Oh my gosh, Oprah, I just had a light bulb moment.